that Teves Fanny, Independent, garnered 127,079 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. We hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected Vice Mayor of NCR City of Muntinlupa, Province of National Capital Region 4th District. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprints.
Ay gagawa ng desisyon pagdating sa public service sa Muntinlupa, ang titingnan ko po, kapakanan po mismo ng taong bayang Muntinlupa.
Nakasan din po ng mga kababaihan, yung mga puso ng isang ina na mapagsakripisyo, mapagtiis, mapagmahal,